Are you videotaping them? Oh, okay.
But the sun's kind of keeping me from getting a good photo.
Isaac, can you say Merry Christmas? Say Merry Christmas.
Ooh, Gaga. There you go.
See, I'm getting teeth for Christmas. Lots of teeth. Can I see your puzzle? You getting what?
A cold.
Oh, Isaac, here. Show pie. Isaac, show pie. Isaac.
That's so much stuff. He ain't interested in what you're saying. He wants to play.
Cool.
Rodrigo, say hi to your mom and dad.
Oh, hi.
And Rick.
He likes the train.